everyone, this is KJ Vlog, sa Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, agad-agad gawin natin ito reaction video. Actually, hindi ko pa ito napanood. Kahapon, kaka-research ko lang kasi gusto ko talagang mag-research ulit ng mga what do you call this, nag-research ako ng mga interviews nila kung ano man ang papanoorin natin for today's video and gawa ng reaction video. And napanood ko to, Ben and Ben na Making The Way You Look At Me. Hindi ko talaga gawa ng reaction video and hindi ko pa siya napanood. I mean, nakita ko siya, hindi ko siya napanood. Nakita ko siya kahapon. So, sabi ko, hindi, gagawa ko talaga ito ng reaction video. Kailangan ko talaga siyang gawa ng reaction video because why not? Diba? So, I'm 1 second na longer. I'm really, really excited to watch. Basta ha, always choose peace, okay? So dito makikita natin, this was something like 1 year ago, if I'm not mistaken. Tingnan natin kung kailan to. 2023 pa. So basically, di ba nang pinanood ako ha, ginawa ko kasi ng reaction video o music video ng The Way You Look At Me. Sobrang ganda ng The Way You Look At Me nila. Like literal na sobrang ganda. Ang ganda ng emotions ng pinapakita nila and everything. Pero, yun na nga, hindi natin maluloko ang self natin. We should accept the fact na may kanya-kanya silang relationship during that time. Di ba? May kanya-kanya, uy, alam sa ang sarap nito, ribis ko baka naman. Ang sarap nito. So, basically, dito, panoorin ulit natin ngayon na nasa utak na natin, na single na sila. Tingnan natin kung ang kilig parehas pa din o mas grabe. Kasi nung pinanood ko yung interview nila sa Pastok Boy Abunda, mas iba ang kilig eh. Mas iba. Tingnan. Ay? Guwapo, Di ba may damit si Barbie? Na ganon? Ay? Hello?
So my role in this
Ay,
video, I'm a graphic artist.
Guwapo niya.
I met Barbie.
Ang Barbie? Iba talaga siya mag-pronounce kay Barbie since then, no?
She was the one who received the eye of my ex.
Ang cool dito, as Barbie, pero yung Barbie yung name, mamimit ko si David through a dating app. Parang nag-click kami agad. Malalaman niya na ako yung nakakuha ng eyes ng ex-fiancé niya. Na it was a very small world. Na ako rin yung nakamatch niya sa dating app. Tapos parang, for some reason, every time I look at David, may something siya na hindi niya ma-pinpoint na parang I remind him of his girlfriend, his ex-fiancé.
Ay?
Look at me,
Ay! Ito pala yun! Sa The Making pala ng The Way You Look At Me to. Ay, hala! Ang lala! Hala, ang lala. Bakit hindi ko ito napanood? Hindi ko ito nagawa ng reaction video. Si Shubi? Si Shubi. Si Shubi yung best friend ni Ashley Ortega ng PBB. Galing ni Barbie.
Over here, you can see my mom's my mom's villa. We used to come here.
Yeah.
Christmas.
Ay.
And then here, lagi kami nagtatakbuhan ng mga cousins ko dito.
Ang yaman. Ganda. Ay? Pag si David, kaharap niya talaga si Barbie. Noong una pa, sinang-hina talaga siya. No? Nanghihina talaga siya.
Itong song na ito meant a lot to me when I was young.
Crush mo.
Crush ko si Sebastian Bautista before. And
Akala ko si Dennis Trillo.
show niya when I was 6 years old.
Mm.
Tapos, nag-duet kami together.
Mm.
And being part of this music video is such a huge honor for me.
Grabe yung tingin na niya. Tingnan nyo ha.
Sa kanya,
Iba siya magsalita kung hindi niya kalap si Barbie. Pero kung kasama niya si Barbie or mag-act siya, para siyang marshmallow o pinakuluang tuwalya ng baka. Diba?
like everything is easy.
Aminin nyo yan.
Barbie.
I'm just so happy to be doing this with David today.
Oh!
Food. Feeling ko kaya rin good mood ako today. And
Oh.
nandito ng coffee. So, I feel good. I feel good today.
I love coffee.
Gastusin natin. Safe pa nga yung wallet ko.
Tingnan mo, oh.
Ikaw yung wallet ko talaga sa bahay today.
Ang nipis niya, di ba?
Bakit
Hindi siya mapakali. Galaw siya ng galaw.
Kuya David po, sobrang
Si Shubi.
Ang gaan lang ang
Oo.
trabaho. May mga scenes na medyo nanibago po ako as
Mm-mm.
first timer sa music video. Miss Barbie was very sweet. She's a very good actress. Pati kanina pa niyo po, kahit pa lang na sinushoot sa kanya, nag-acting rin. Really, it's a privilege po to work with them.
Gwapo ng kitchen. Yan. Oy! I love that.
Kaya Tracy, meron kaya tang crate. Haha! Okay, I'm gonna make a profile anyway.
Pangarap kong work, graphic artist. Super.
I know.
Super.
Oh man, it's
Pangarap kong work. Kayo yung mga thumbnail ko. Tsaka kasi hindi ako graphic artist.
alright. Be happy. Okay, proud of you. Paisip ka pa rin.
Totoong beer.
When I was young, when I was young, I would do mall shows.
Gwapo niyan, no?
And she, as a 6-year-old, would come and watch
Oh.
on stage. And it comes full circle that she's doing the music video now for The Way You Look at Me. So, with
Mm-mm.
David. So I'm just so happy that they agreed to do this.
Tapos, ganyan ba talaga dapat, Mel? Ganyan ba talaga dapat, ma'am, for today's video? Charis! Emet!
Barbie is such a presence. Like,
Chill.
She knows what she's doing. And then
Daddy, chill.
Okay, roll na tayo. Rolling.
Ay. The way you look at me, indeed. Ngayon ko lang ito napanood. Grabe si Barbie. Oh my God, si David, look at David. Oh my God, umiyak talaga sila. Oh my God. Ay, grabe, parang totoo. Hala, si David, cut na. Cut na. Hoy, di ba nag-cut na? Hala, ang galing.
Ligaw ko
The Way You Look at Me music video
by Ben and Ben
is out now.
Hala, ang galing. Ang galing. Ay, spam. Sarap ng spam, ah. Sarap naman ng spam. Anyways, there you go guys. It is our for today's video, which is the Ben and Ben, the making of The Way You Look at Me. Hala, cut na yung kanina. Hug pa din talaga sila. Ano na? Cheers. This is KJ for Vlogs. See you in my next vlog. Bye.